carrying some sort of a lathi. They are also carrying the flags with that. And if you can hear behind me, that's where the tear gas smokes are going up. But this is not preventing the farmers. Remember, they're adamant, and then they said they will go till the outer ring road. That is the route which was decided by the farmers. Swaptaman Singh Pannu spoke to us. He is leading this particular march, and he says, in no way are we going to listen to Delhi police. We told them this is going to be our route. We are going to follow that route. We are not looking at disturbance. But if there is a confrontation, the farmers will not hold back. And that is what is really happening out here. But again, the CAPF, which is a paramilitary force, and Delhi police usually outnumbered here. They are all in riot gear. And there you go, all sloganeering. And these are the tractors and the trolley. The roar of the crowd. And all these containers being dragged out here. This is one of the scenes. They have cleared the barricade. That means the tractor rally will now go ahead, whether it is tear gas, whether it is this particular situation. And now see the tractors quickly moving. They are quickly now moving into areas, tear gas having little impact on them, and a situation escalating into something which is extremely hostile. Now we are only hoping it doesn't turn violent. Remember, its standoff has now turned into a face-off, and this is a face-off which is happening right here on ground zero. These particular trolleys, these particular vehicles now hijacked by the farmers, and what it looks like is they're pulling these vehicles apart so that the path is now cleared for the tractor rally. A huge cheer going up in the crowd. This is supposed to be a symbolic show of strength, a parallel tractor rally. But what it has become now is something unimaginable, because the farmers who are adamant that they will go ahead. Now let me show you another scenario. The caps here are the Rapid Action Force or the paramilitary forces, not trying to invade into this crowd, which is obviously hostile at this point of time. They've given out a clear warning. Yes, there were apprehensions which were expressed by the government, by intelligence agencies, that it does seem whatever planning was supposed to be here, that is completely falling short. Thousands of tractors here on National Highway, and this is unprecedented scenes. Vehicles atop, there are people, there are farmers, loud cheers coming from there. Those vehicles being taken over by the farmers. Remember, they are the ones who are dragging on the barricades, they're dragging on any sort of cement barrier which was created. And this has been going on for the past 15 to 20 minutes. And this obviously does not augur well for Delhi police. We've seen in the past the approach in the CAA and JNU, but nothing like this. This is unprecedented scene out here. This is unusual because this is unstoppable as it seems, and it seems that Delhi police, despite its preparation, and this is where we saw maximum force.
Okay,
but you see,
so you can see that all of them are moving where you are, Kamaljeet. They've pushed through despite the fact that there's been heavy barricading there. हम आपके अभी will also give this update to our viewers कि जो किसानों थे गाजियाबाद बॉर्डर से वो अभी दिल्ली तक पहुंच गए हैं. The police have not been able to stop them. They're moving ahead. There is a lot of tension that's breaking out. Also close to Noida Delhi border, वहाँ पे भी काफ़ी violence हो चुकी है. We understand that the police had to resort to tear gas shelling. There was a clash that was reported as police resorted to लाठी चार्जिंग, क्योंकि ये जो protesters थे वो अभी कोशिश कर रहे हैं दिल्ली के अंदर जाने के लिए. The designated route is in fact to the outskirts of Delhi. They want to enter into outer ring road. I also have Ashutosh Mishra with me. He's joining us live at this point. Ashutosh, जहां आप हो वहां पे सिचुएशन क्या है? हमको जानकारी मिल रहा है कि कई जगह पे अभी किसानों जो है दिल्ली के अंदर जाने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
Well, Akshita, so far here, if you cross the barricadings at Singhu border, and we see a lot of commotions happening there. Farmers are trying to, take out those barricades. The first Jatha, the first union was the Bharatiya Kisan Mazdoor Sangharsh Committee from Punjab, and they had earlier announced they will not follow the ring road. They will not follow the pre-decided route between the police and farmers union, but they will go to the ring road. So they were the first who started breaking up those barricades, and now it is only the same union. So far, I believe hundreds of these customers, perhaps even thousands, those tractors have crossed the barricades. And the United Forum Union, where still they have the tractors at Singhu border, they are yet to even cross the Singhu point. So ये जो आप संख्या यहाँ पर देख पा रही हैं, ये तो सिर्फ पहला जत्था है, पहला यूनियन है जिसमें 2 यूनियन के समर्थक ट्रैक्टर निकले हैं. जो संयुक्त किसान मोर्चा है, उनकी जो यूनियन और उनके जो ट्रैक्टर्स हैं, वो अभी भी सिंघू बॉर्डर के भीतर ही हैं. एंड इफ आई कुड एंटीसिपेट कि ये परेड खत्म होने तक, अपनी जगह तक आने में इन्हें 15 से 16 घंटे भी लग सकते हैं. Though it's only the 63 kilometers route, but traffic management and also kind of chaos we are seeing at the decided point where there are turning and divergence have been placed, where there is a possibility of scuffle between police and farmers. And the first union says we not going to follow the route you have given, but rather we want to enter, or the outer ring road and have given time to the police. So looking at those case scenario, this is unstoppable. The police is not able to control despite making so much mechanism. But here they have put thousands of these volunteers on the street. These volunteers are ensuring the tractors, vehicles, cars, anything, they should fall in line. They should follow the protocols that they have been designed. Beyond this point, at the scuffle point and the Singhu border main barricade, so far here they are disciplined. But the kind of situation we are seeing on the other places, that completely chaotic. Here, these farmers are on the move. We have seen the tabloid, replica, veterans, farmers, all age, including the women, those who are riding these tractors, they are lined up. And if I could just take you one view, if you see this lined up, this is more than 7 to 8 kilometer, huge, organized event by these farmers as they had announced. But that seems to be the police. There are ITBP deployed, there are CRPF deployed, all the forces. That seems to be nothing, despite all these arrangements, have failed to control and manage the situation. Indeed,
Okay.
once the tractors from the United Farmer Union, when they start moving inside the territory, that will be another round of that. That's exactly why